Right now, as you're watching this video, there's a silent river flowing through your body. But for millions of people, that river has stopped moving. And when it stops, toxins begin to accumulate. Your immune system starts to fail, and your cells begin to mutate. What I'm about to show you could be the difference between life and disease. Stay with me. You've heard about your heart, your liver, your kidneys, but there's an entire system inside you that most people completely ignore. It's called your lymphatic system, and it's responsible for cleaning out the cellular garbage that builds up in your body every single day. Imagine if the sewage system in your city stopped working. Waste would pile up, bacteria would grow, and disease would spread. That's exactly what happens inside your body when your lymphatic system becomes stagnant. After more than 10 years working as a doctor, I have seen patients who are doing everything right, eating well, exercising, taking vitamins, but still getting sick, still feeling exhausted, and in some cases, still developing cancer. And when we looked deeper, we found one common problem. Their lymphatic system was completely blocked. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to detoxify your lymphatic system, boost your immunity, and protect yourself from disease. And if you care about your health, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, because this information could save your life. Let me explain this in the simplest way possible. Your body has two major fluid systems. Everyone knows about the blood circulatory system. Your heart pumps blood through arteries and veins. But most people have no idea about the second system, the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is like your body's drainage network. It's a series of vessels, nodes, and organs that collect waste, toxins, dead cells, bacteria, and even cancer cells from your tissues. Here's the problem. Unlike your blood, which is pumped by your heart, your lymph fluid has no pump. It relies entirely on movement, muscle contractions, deep breathing, and manual stimulation to flow. So if you live a sedentary lifestyle, if you sit all day, if you barely move, your lymph stops flowing. And when it stops, waste accumulates, your immune system weakens, inflammation increases, and your risk of chronic disease, including cancer, skyrockets. But here's the good news. You can reverse this. You can reactivate your lymphatic system starting today. And I'm going to show you exactly how. But first, let me tell you a story that completely changed how I view this system. A few years ago, I had a patient. Let's call her Maria. She was 52 years old, active, ate a healthy diet, didn't smoke, didn't drink. But she kept getting sick. Constant infections, chronic fatigue, swollen lymph nodes in her neck. We ran test after test. Everything came back normal. Liver function, fine. Kidney function, fine. Blood work, fine. But Maria didn't feel fine. She felt like her body was filled with sludge. That's when I started asking about her lifestyle. Turns out, she worked from home, sat at a desk for 10 hours a day, barely moved, and had gained 30 pounds over the past 5 years. Her lymphatic system had essentially stopped. I'd put her on a lymphatic detox protocol, simple daily habits that I'll share with you in just a moment. And within 3 weeks, her energy returned. Her infection stopped. The swelling went down. She told me she felt like she had her body back. Now, I'm not saying this will cure everything, but what happened next shocked me. 6 months later, during a routine scan, we found early-stage abnormal cells in her breast tissue. Caught early, treated successfully, and I truly believe that reactivating her lymphatic system played a role in her immune system detecting those cells before they became dangerous. If you've ever felt chronically tired, bloated, or like your body just isn't working right, drop a comment below and tell me. Let me give you the warning signs. If you experience any of these, your lymphatic system may be clogged. 1. Frequent infections, colds, flu, sinus infections that just won't go away. 2. Chronic fatigue, even after a full night's sleep. 3. Brain fog and difficulty concentrating. 4. Swelling in your fingers, ankles, or legs, especially in the morning. 5. Stubborn weight gain, particularly around your midsection. 6. Skin problems, acne, eczema, dryness. 7. Swollen lymph nodes in your neck, armpits, or groin. 8. Stiffness and soreness, especially in the morning. Most people don't realize this, but these are not just random symptoms. They're your body screaming for help. Your lymphatic system is backed up, and your immune system is drowning in toxins. So how do we fix it? Let me show you. Here are the most powerful, scientifically backed methods to get your lymph flowing again. Method 1. Dry brushing. This is one of the simplest and most effective techniques. Get a natural bristle brush and gently brush your skin in long strokes toward your heart. Start at your feet, move up your legs, then your arms, always brushing toward the heart. Do this for 5 minutes before you shower. It stimulates lymph flow, removes dead skin cells, and boosts circulation. Method 2. Deep breathing. Your lymphatic system relies heavily on your diaphragm. Deep diaphragmatic breathing creates a vacuum effect that pulls lymph fluid through your body. Try this. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 4 counts. Exhale slowly for 6 counts. Do this 10 times, 3 times a day. Method 3. Rebounding or jumping. This might sound strange, but bouncing on a mini trampoline or even just jumping jacks is one of the best ways to stimulate lymph flow. The up and down motion creates pressure changes that pump lymph fluid through your vessels. Just 10 minutes a day can make a massive difference. Method 4. Hydration. Your lymph fluid is mostly water. If you're dehydrated, your lymph becomes thick and sluggish. Drink at least 8 glasses of clean, filtered water daily. Add a pinch of sea salt and lemon to support mineral balance and detoxification. Method 5. Lymphatic massage. You can do this yourself or see a professional. Gently massage your neck, armpits, and groin, where major lymph nodes are located. Use slow, gentle, circular motions. This manually pushes stagnant lymph fluid toward your drainage points. Method 6. Contrast showers. Thermal shifts. Alternate between hot and cold water in the shower. Hot water dilates your lymph vessels. Cold water contracts them. This pumping action forces lymph to move. Try 30 seconds hot, 30 seconds cold, repeat 5 times. End with cold. Method 7. Move your body. Walking, yoga, swimming, anything that involves rhythmic movement helps your lymph flow. Aim for at least 30 minutes of movement daily. Method 8. Reduce toxin exposure. Your lymphatic system is already overloaded. Don't add to it. Avoid processed foods, excess sugar, alcohol, smoking, and chemical-laden personal care products. Eat clean, whole foods, especially leafy greens, berries, garlic, ginger, and turmeric, which support lymphatic health. If you found this helpful so far, please hit that like button. It helps this video reach more people who need this information. Here's something most people don't know. Your lymphatic system contains more fluid than your blood. It's one of the largest systems in your body, yet it's the most ignored. Another shocking fact, up to 80% of toxins in your body are removed through your lymphatic system, not your liver or kidneys. If your lymph is stagnant, those toxins are being reabsorbed into your bloodstream. And here's the big one. Studies have shown that a sluggish lymphatic system is directly linked to chronic inflammation, autoimmune diseases, and yes, cancer. Cancer cells travel through your lymphatic system. If your lymph nodes are healthy and flowing, your immune cells can detect and destroy those cancer cells early. But if your lymphatic system is stagnant, those cancer cells can hide, grow, and spread. This is why I'm so passionate about this topic. It's not just about feeling better, it's about preventing serious disease. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried any lymphatic detox techniques? Did you notice a difference? Leave a comment below, and let's start a conversation. Your lymphatic system is your body's silent protector. It works 24/7 to clean out waste, fight infections, and prevent disease. But it needs your help to function. Start today. Pick just 1 or 2 techniques I shared with you. Dry brush before your shower. Take a 10-minute walk. Drink more water. Breathe deeply. Small actions create massive results. If this video opened your eyes, please share it with someone you love. Subscribe to this channel for more life-saving health information. And remember, your health is your wealth. Protect it. I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, stay healthy.